They can be drive it constantly. It depends on how you make it top of mind in the speech. You saw the way we began this program today was with the HSW, Health, Safety and Welfare Initiation. Okay, so that's how we help make it top of mind. Same way, you're going to change the culture and the DNA of organization and make this part of the society. Because when your own elements of people, the own elements of people you interact with, you manage to change them, they will change society. So you're going to start. So moon is the
Tough to measure as well, yes. I think that we shouldn't deny it's all about leadership. It's the fact that Martin Peters shows up to the world of difference, right? It's the fact that you're sitting on this panel. CEOs play a significant signaling role. And I think moving some of the CSR from the marketing to the HR, let them execute, but you've got a message and take ownership from the top and have just more influence, that just creates more influence within the organization. And these folks need to show up.